Hello, and welcome to tutorial number 12. This tutorial will engage in the advanced setup. You usually are not supposed to change the advanced setup parameters. However, we will talk briefly about what they are and how they use authorized engineers to target possible model problems. The advanced setup can be accessed from the model editing panel. The advanced tab is the fifth tab. There are several fields in this tab, and they are disabled when the model is running. The minimum lag time and the max lag time define the range for which the model will search for this specific pair's lag time. Maximum time, the measurement is allowed to be constantly set to a default of 60. This means that if a data is analyzed and the model finds the value is fixed for less than 60 minutes, it ignores these records. The alpha lower and upper sets the limits for interval confidence. The NN, natural reader segments, and NN kernel size are internal parameters of the core algorithm. They are used to fit the flow time. An exact explanation of their use can be found in the user manual of the spatial model. The most important feature is the export prediction model diagnostics to a file. When you click this button, you are asked to select a directory to save the file. The system will write the setup of this object to this directory. If there is a problem with this object's prediction, send the exported file to the decision makers team. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.